The definition of success means different things to different people. Some people define it by their financial status, their fancy job title, that big house, or that very nice car. The usual indicator of success. I mean, who wouldn't agree that we would want all the above, right? But have you ever seen a colleague or public figure who, in your eyes, is successful but doesn't seem genuinely happy? They seem burnt out. You might have seen them making a significant life change, like changing or quitting their job, or even taking a long break altogether. This is what we often term as midlife or existential crisis. I would love to hear your thoughts. What is your definition of success? Do share your insights in the comment below. Today, we will explore a different perspective on success, one that goes beyond the traditional titles and possession. And more importantly, we will learn and discover about this simple yet effective tool that can help us avoid that midlife crisis, come out of it even stronger than before, attaining holistic success that includes meaningful connections, harmony, and life fulfillment. There are a few reasons why we find ourselves facing the above-mentioned crisis. Many of us live our lives without beginning with the end in mind. We are influenced by societal expectations, our peers and family, and we ultimately make decisions that may not align with our true aspiration. When we live such a life, it is common to wake up one day and realize that we have been living a life that does not align with our truest desire. Additionally, the absence of a mentor can make the journey even more challenging. Reason being, the mentor can provide valuable insights, experience, and help us see where we want to be and become in life. Moreover, as we go through different stages in life, our priorities changes. What previously bring us happiness and fulfillment may need reassessment. The tool that we'll use today adapts to all these changes, helping us navigate in life to our truest aspiration and desires. Before we go into the actual tool, let us first imagine if we are riding on a bicycle today with uneven wheels. How will you be able to enjoy that journey? Now imagine if your life is similar to this with uneven wheels. How would your life look like? The tool that I want to share with you today is the Wheel of Life. It is actually a very simple yet effective tool that can help us reassess, evaluate, and plan how and where we want to go in life, fostering a more harmonious and purposeful life, regardless of our situation in life. The Wheel of Life can be used in two portions. The first is to identify where we are in life and ultimately where we want to go. Second, the questions that we can ask ourselves to help us move forward in the direction that we want to go in life. This is how we can use the Wheel of Life effectively, even on our own. First, we'll use a full circle, with a grading system from 1 being the least fulfilled to 10 being the most fulfilled, with the following matrix shown on the screen. The first matrix would be our finances. This section invites you to reflect on your financial well-being. It encompasses not only your income and savings, but also your overall financial satisfaction. Are you comfortably meeting your financial needs? And do you have a plan for your future financial goals? Number 2, your career. Consider this segment as a reflection of your professional life. How fulfilled are you in your current job or career path? Are you passionate about what you do? And does it align with your long-term life goals? The third matrix, family and friends. Relationship plays a vital role in our lives. This section encourages you to evaluate the quality of your connection with friends and family. Are these relationships positive and supportive, contributing to your overall well-being? Number 4, spiritual. The spiritual aspect goes beyond religious affiliations. It dwells into your sense of purpose, inner peace, and connection with something greater than yourself. How aligned are you with your spiritual values? And do you find meaning in your daily lives? Number 5, personal development. Continuous growth and learning are essential for personal fulfillment. Assess your commitment to personal development, whether through acquiring new skills, pursuing education, or engaging in activities that promote self-improvement. Number 6, love. Love in this context extends beyond romantic relationship. Consider the love and connection you share with family, friends, and others in your life. How are you nurturing this connection, and do they contribute positively to your overall happiness? Number 7, your health. Your well-being, both physical and mental, is crucial for a fulfilling life. Evaluate your habits and lifestyle choices. Are you prioritizing activities that contribute to a healthy and balanced life? Number 8, fun and recreation. Lastly, consider how you incorporate joy and leisure into your life. This section encourages you to reflect on the activities that brings you happiness outside of work and responsibilities. Are you taking time to enjoy and savor life's pleasure? After you've done this exercise, you should be able to see the shape of your circle, grading from 1 being the least fulfilled to 10 being the most fulfilled. It identifies where you are doing well and where you might want some adjustments. Now that we have a better understanding on our wheel of life, it is time to proceed to part 2 of the exercise, where we will have a series of questions that can help us identify what we can do. Remember, there's no right or wrong. The most important thing is how you want your wheel of life to look like at the end of the day. Here are the 9 wheel of life questions that are divided into 2 sections. The first section is the evaluation section. Question number 1. How do you feel about your life when looking at your wheel of life? Number 2. Did you discover anything surprising as you reviewed your wheel of life? Number 3. What specific conditions or achievement would make each life area a perfect 10? Number 4. Describe in detail what a perfect 10 would look like in that particular life aspect. Number 5. Which area of your wheel of life do you most want to enhance, and why? Section 2 will be the action to take section. Question number 6. How can you practically create space for positive changes in your life, especially in areas you want to improve? Question 7. Prioritize the areas for improvement and decide on the first change you would like to make. Number 8. Break down the desired change into small steps. What is the smallest action to get started? Number 9. Imagine one key action that could bring more balance to all areas of your life. What would the action be? Remember, this journey is uniquely yours. When you use the wheel of life truthfully, you will be able to find a holistic life, one that comprises of fulfillment, harmony, abundance, and love. Ultimately, this will be the life that your future you will be thankful for. Do drop a comment below on which aspect of your life would you like to see improvement in. If you find value in today's video, do like and subscribe. Join our community dedicated to personal growth. Thank you for joining me on this reflective journey today. May you discover the best version of yourselves. I'll see you soon.